Hey, it's Shubomi from Parallel Leads, and in this video, I will show you how Invite Manager works inside Ulink and how it controls connection requests whenever we are running campaigns on LinkedIn. So the first thing we would do is to locate the Invite Manager, which is right here in the Set Account Schedule. You click on it. So this is where you arrive at. You scroll down till you see the Invite Manager right here. So usually what this means is that this invite manager, it helps us to control how connection requests are distributed or sent across various campaigns. So the normal maximal invite per day we use is always 1000, but in case it changes anytime, just hold and drag it to the respective number, but usually we always use 1000 as the limit, and this limit ensures that the account does not send too many connection requests in one day. So after that is being done, you click on the update. Yeah, so basically, excuse me, basically this invite manager just, it helps outreach team manage connection requests safely, and it prevents LinkedIn restrictions. Let's say this was in 2000. Yeah, so and you're sending 2000 connections per day. LinkedIn is going to flag that, and your account might be restricted for this reason. So after that, after you set the limit to the respective number, you come here and click on the update. So yeah, that's it for the invite manager. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.